In a thriving green forest, animals roam peacefully. But one person, smoke in hand, unknowingly tosses a cigarette butt. In an instant, the fire catches and the disaster begins. The green paradise now turns to chaos as flames engulf the forest. Animals flee and thick black and white smoke rises, darkening the sky and altering the climate. On the other side, a football match is in full swing, the crowd roaring as the players give their all. An opponent charges in with a sliding tackle, but the skilled player maneuvers past effortlessly, keeping the momentum going. As the player approaches the goal, black and white smoke swirls in from nowhere, shrouding the stadium in an eerie cloud. One by one, the players start collapsing on the field, struggling to breathe, overtaken by the suffocating smoke. Cut to a hospital scene. The doctor reviews reports, concerned. Smoke inhalation from the wildfire has led to respiratory infections, spreading across the region. But what caused this? Let's dive into greenhouse gas emissions, and more specifically, Scope 1, 2, and 3. Scope 1 refers to direct emissions from school operations. Think about the buses running on fossil fuels, transporting students every day. Scope 2, on the other hand, involves indirect emissions. It's the electricity the school purchases to power its lights, computers, and everyday tasks. Scope 3 covers emissions that aren't directly under the school's control, like the trucks that come to collect waste and contribute to CO2 emissions. But there's hope. A superhero swoops in, ready to take down the CO2 beast, reducing Scope 3 emissions and fighting climate change. Behind the scenes, schools are making smarter choices, handing over contracts to new suppliers that focus on sustainability. School management carefully reviews the contracts, ensuring they partner with eco-friendly suppliers for a greener future. Green logistics is another solution, minimizing travel distances, conserving energy, and cutting down emissions by choosing smarter, more efficient routes. Healthcare can also play a role, using satellite IoT for early detection. Satellites send data to hospitals, giving them a heads up on natural disasters so they can take precautions early. Small actions, like planting a seed and nurturing it into a tree, contribute to a healthier, happier Earth. Fast forward, and we can envision a future where entire cities, countries, and even continents are green, thriving, and filled with life once again.